But as y'all can see now, we have ground wire ran for the halos. So the halos are ran correctly. My side marker is ran correctly. My front turn signal is ran correctly. And I fixed the corner light. So fixed, bro. And look, my turn signal and corner light both work now. And as y'all see, no more both sides flashing. Look at that, dog. Come on.
Hey, forgive me if I leave you, I'm just doing what my heart said. I'm not who I used to be no more, now I move cautious. I've been on my block life for so long that I felt boxed in. Homie on my block no more, but I let them know I can't change, yeah. I be in my head like how.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now this video we're finna go ahead and try and see if we can fix the wiring problem with my turn signals and my corner light. So we're finna go ahead and see if we can get that done. So it didn't really start until I put my corner light in. So it had to be something that I done wrong. I either wired the ground down wrong to the wrong black wire, because it's two different black wires hooked up to the turn signal. So I'm thinking I just put it on the wrong one. So I think I just gotta fix that. So yeah, this video we finna just try to, you know what I'm saying, try to fix the turn signal so my turn signals will be all good, you know. So yeah, that's basically it, you know what I'm saying. We're just gonna be undoing the corner lights and then rewiring them. And good thing I have not soldered that stuff down yet. If I would have soldered it down, I would have had trouble, you know what I'm saying. So luckily I didn't solder it down yet, so we finna go ahead and try to undo that. And I've been trying to wire up this third brake light. That's probably why y'all see like some tape right here. I've been trying to wire up this third brake light and it will not cut on for nothing, you know what I'm saying. It says for single mode I'm supposed to use 2 wires. I did that. I used the black and the red wire like I was told, and I put them under the dash, wired it up to my pedal, and it wouldn't work. I tried both wires that go to the pedal, the orange one and my white one, and neither one of them worked. So yeah, I don't know what else to do with that, so I just gave up on that project for now. We put that one on hold just so I can do this other stuff before it start getting dark, because it's already 4 o'clock. I've been doing that for 2 hours, messing around with wires and stuff, trying to see which wire I could wire it up to. So maybe y'all could tell me, you know what I'm saying. I tried to find videos. Nobody did no real in-depth video. I got here go the wiring and stuff. Y'all see it right there. It's just a regular high mounting point third brake light, you feel me. It's just a regular one, you know what I'm saying, and it's a 40-inch, and I can't wire it up. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but it's not what this video is about. We're finna try and fix my wiring problem with my turning signals, so hopefully they work right once we, you know what I'm saying, redo the wiring. So let's get started in this video, and yeah, let's see if we can fix this problem. Now before we get started, I need y'all to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all. That way y'all be notified every time I drop. So let's get on into this video and see if we can fix our problem. Alright y'all, so I don't have the battery hooked up on the car yet, but I do want to show y'all. So this is what I was talking about. It's 3 wires on, let me zoom in a little bit for y'all. So it's 3 wires here. Now I'm thinking instead of me supposed to be using both of these, I'm maybe supposed to use one of these and this top one. So we finna go ahead, my bad if y'all was missing, so I was trying to point to it, but yeah, like I was saying, maybe I'm not supposed to use both of these. Maybe I'm supposed to use one of these and one of the top one. So we finna undo this, and like I said, luckily I haven't soldered none of this stuff down yet, so I'm gonna just undo the tape, undo one wire, strip a little bit of this, and then test it, and if it works, then I'm right. You feel me? I'm not supposed to use both of these, just one of these and this top one. So let's get on into this video. Ooh, forgot I was zoomed in. My hair is a mess, but hold on, trying to get y'all, there we go, put y'all back on here, and then we finna get to work and hopefully fix this problem. So hopefully fix this problem. Damn, my wire strippers. Alright, let's see if I can get this right. And I put a lot of tape on this because I didn't know if it was gonna rain, and I didn't want the rain to like fly over into this carport area and mess up this wire and stuff. So I put a lot of tape on it to protect it until I found that soldering gun or soldering iron, whatever y'all want to call it, you know what I'm saying? So this is gonna be the only long part, is getting all of this tape back off. Alright, got one. And I need to get some heat shrinks too, so make sure y'all remind me, get some heat shrinks. It'll also be helpful and come in handy. Get some heat shrinks. Make sure y'all remind me though. If y'all don't remind me, I will forget. So make sure y'all remind me I need heat shrinks. Trying to find where this tape starts. Alright, let me try and get this, then I'm gonna come back to y'all. Alright y'all, so as y'all can tell, it's nighttime now. So this took way too long, you know what I'm saying? It took way too long. So what I figured out was that just about everything on this front end was wired wrong, you know what I'm saying? From the halos to the side markers to the turn signal, everything. So what I had to do was literally rewire everything. So now my halos are wired correctly, my turn signals are wired correctly, my side markers are wired correctly. So I can't lie, I didn't do this all by myself. I had my uncle help me, which was a huge blessing, you know what I'm saying? I had some help to be able to finish this. So now that we got that done, everything is fully complete. As y'all can see, we now have ground wire. Well, hold on one second. But as y'all can see now, we have ground wire ran for the halos. So the halos are ran correctly. My side marker is ran correctly, my front turn signals ran correctly, and I fixed the corner light. So like I said, we got a new ground for both sides of the halo. So let's go ahead and turn everything on. We're gonna do a full walk around because like I said, everything was wired wrong. So we're gonna turn on just this, and then we're gonna turn the car on a little bit so we can get ready to do the side markers next. Well, I mean the turn signal. So walking around fully, like I said, side marker in the rear. So everything in the rear was wired right, you know what I'm saying? Everything in the rear was wired right, so I don't have to worry about this. Get that out the way. That's for another project, but shut that on down. So like I said, everything in the rear is done correctly. Wasn't nothing back here touched wiring wise. So y'all see my license plate light, side back lights, side marker. Let's go on to the front. Now my side marker is right now, and like I said, everything's been fixed. So halo's working right. As y'all can see, my front running lights and the side markers, bro. That's a mean image, bro. Look at that mean image, bro. I'm telling you. So yeah, and y'all see my corner lights aren't with my running lights or nothing, but my running lights and everything. So now let's turn on some turn signals. And I know my battery got real low after we done had everything left on all day. So yeah, as y'all remember on the dash, when we had the turn signal on, both turn signals was flashed. So now it's just one, as y'all can see. So we got the left side on. Now let's go look at the corner light that we now have fixed. Look at that, bro. Fixed, bro. And look, my turn signal and corner light both work now. And as y'all see, no more both sides flashing, just one. And my side mark. So what had happened was, bro, I'm explaining it to y'all a little bit. So I guess when they had the halos done, the previous owner, the dude I bought this car from, when he had the halos done, he had the halos wired in with this top side marker, and this top side marker was a turn signal, but we changed it now to where it's not a turn signal, it's just a running light now. So yeah, look at that though. As y'all see, just one side. And now the next video will probably be trying to put some LEDs in it so I can get that yellow out. But working corner lights, bro. working corner lights, and no more full. I can walk over here and show y'all as well. You know what I'm saying? No more both sides flashing. It's just one side now. And like I said, we put the driver's side turn signal on, and now the driver's side turn signal is working with the corner light. Look at that. That is so hard, bro. And we go to the rear. The rear is perfect too. Like I said, wasn't nothing wrong back here. But as y'all know, just these two, this inner one and this outer one, are the only ones supposed to flash. This is supposed to be the brake. Or maybe all of them light up when you press the brake. But let's change that to the other side. And like I said, it works on the dash perfectly now too. Both sides. Both sides, bro. Look at that. Both sides, bro. I'm so stoked. I'm happy, bro. So happy we got that done. Y'all see this side is not on anymore. The running light is still running because it's supposed to, but now this turn signal is turning and this turn signal is bright again. It ain't super dull no more. But look at that, bro. And y'all see the corner light flashing. Y'all see that bright light flashing right there, man. Y'all see it. Come on, man. Quit playing with me, dog. I'm building this car for real. Look at that, dog. Come on. So, like I said, we now have just one corner and light working on each side, like it's supposed to, instead of having all of it flash. Now let me turn on my flashers so we can have both of them running. Turn off the turn signal and push this little button in right. Well, let me see. Get my flashlight back on. My phone finna die, so if we run out of flashlight, we run out of flashlight. But push that button there. Both of them flashing on the dash. Y'all see? Ooh, I almost tripped over that twice now. And as y'all can see, both flashing. The corner lights both are flashing. Both corner lights. Come on, man, quit playing with me, dog. I'm for real. I'm learning like crazy, dog, and both of the backs are flashing. Come on, dog. I'm telling you. A lot of people be down with me, bro. In the comments, y'all be telling me I need to quit trying to mess with these cars, but bro, this what happens when you learn. Teach yourself how to do this stuff, man. But thought I turned it. I think did my battery? No, because my light's on. Let me show y'all my headlights real quick. Y'all know we got bright LEDs. Very bright LEDs in. Very bright. Why is this one off? Maybe it wasn't off, I don't know. Maybe my bulbs went bad. I don't know. But I'm finna turn the car off because, like I said, I know the battery is definitely going dead because it's been on literally for hours. It's literally been on for hours. Turn signal is on. I had to cut off with the... Yeah, I don't know what's going on now. But like I said, y'all seen everything was working. So, let me clean up a little bit. Then I'm going to come to y'all. Oh! Well, y'all can't even see me. Boy. Yeah, like I said, man, let me clean up a little bit. And I'm going to come back to y'all for the outro. So, y'all give me one quick second. Guys, y'all know how hard I've worked to really teach myself how to work on these cars, you know what I'm saying? From not even just from wiring, but from putting on body panels, wiring, like just motor work. Like, y'all know how much I've strived, I should say. I strived to try to teach myself how to work on these cars. And the fact that I done that, like I said, I can't say I did it by myself, but the fact that I done that, bro, it's a blessing. You know what I'm saying? But we finally got the corner lights right. Everything's done right. You know what I'm saying? I think everything stopped working because my battery died, because I tried to start the car and everything shut off. So I knew the battery was done. I knew it was about over for it, but yeah, the battery fully dead now. So I'm gonna have to try to get it charged again. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. But other than that, man, it's gonna be the end of this one. The next one, we are probably gonna be putting some LED bulbs in the car, in them corner lights and the turn signals, and then we are probably going to finish painting my Cutlass dash, because I finally got some more paint, you know what I'm saying, some more vinyl paint for the car. So y'all stay tuned for that. That should be coming real soon. Within the next couple days, I'm gonna be doing that again. So yeah, like I said, y'all stay tuned for that. Like, it's a lot we still got to do, but one of the main things is I got that corner light completely finished. So y'all know I was gonna send it to a fabrication shop, but I couldn't get it opening, so took matters into my own hands and done it myself. And I'm happy how it turned out. I'm happy I done it myself, because it came out beautiful. You know what I'm saying? It looks really good. It looks perfect, literally perfect. But like I said, it's gonna be the end of this one. Y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all. That way y'all be notified every time I drop. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Keep God first, and I'm out. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.